Drone inspections have revolutionized the industry by improving maintenance efficiencies for legacy power infrastructure, renewable energy, as well as communication sectors, thus resulting in reliability and longevity to these critical systems. Welcome to Scopito, your provider of fault detection, artificial intelligence for visual inspections. For drone operators, flying the assets requires civil aviation certifications, as well as the knowledge and skill to capture data that meets the inspection requirements. For transmission powerline and tower inspections, a network can span hundreds of kilometers and present challenges. For instance, limited access due to terrain. These challenges are overcome by utilizing various drone platforms, such as fixed-wing systems designed for long-range flight, multi-propeller systems for capturing specific angles of the asset. Along with standard visual images, some additional requirements of the inspection may include thermal, detecting heat anomalies, corona, for power discharge or leakage, LiDAR, for terrain contour and vegetation encroachment, and/or photogrammetry for mapping of the asset. For any type of inspection, data acquisition is only half of the equation in terms of delivering a useful inspection report. It is important to quality check your inspection data prior to leaving the field to ensure the imagery meets quality standards. While on site, users can easily create a new inspection and upload sample image data with just a few clicks via our user-friendly interface. And within a few minutes, you will be able to confirm that your data meets the requirements of the inspection. At Scopito, we are experts at digitizing your assets and provide a secure portal that allows sharing of the inspection data across your team for easy sorting, processing, and analysis of the imagery collected. External users such as partners, investors, as well as the client can be added to derive further insight into the health of the assets. Additionally, custom reports can be generated that provide specific information as needed. Scopito provides inspection analytics performed by certified engineers. Each image is scrutinized methodically, looking for identifiable issues or anomalies, annotating those with descriptions and recommendations. These issues are also categorized by a severity level that allows the owner to prioritize maintenance, remediation, or replacement schedules. In closing, the purpose of this presentation is to demonstrate a real-world use of the Scopito platform, the ease of navigating the interface, and the comprehensive, intelligent data that can be produced. Please reach out to us at the link shown here and check the description below to find other useful resources. And as always, thank you for spending time with us to learn more about Scopito and what we do.